everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 Isuzu Motorhome, where industrial-grade performance meets life on the open road. Built on Isuzu's trusted N-Series chassis, the 2025 model features a bold, aerodynamic front end, LED lighting, and an upgraded fiberglass body that's both lightweight and durable. With a length ranging from 22 to 26 feet, it strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and space. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly spacious interior. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner gas stove, convection microwave, and a dual-power fridge. A convertible dinette, memory foam mattress, and a full wet bath make this a true home on wheels. Tech-wise, it's loaded. A 10-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear and side view cameras, and even a solar power system to keep your off-grid game strong. Multiple underbody compartments mean you'll never run short on storage. Under the hood, you've got a 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine delivering 215 horsepower and up to 452 lb-ft of torque, more than enough to handle mountain roads or towing a trailer. And thanks to its 6-speed automatic transmission and improved suspension, the ride feels more SUV than truck. What sets the 2025 Isuzu Motorhome apart? Its off-grid capability. With solar charging, a 100-liter freshwater tank, and lithium battery options, you can truly go off the map, without going off the grid. Whether you're chasing sunsets or living full-time on the road, the 2025 Isuzu Motorhome delivers the muscle, comfort, and freedom you need, all backed by Isuzu's legendary reliability. Let me know if you want this adapted for a specific YouTube channel style, like casual, luxury-focused, or overlanding.